let's talk about something we usually whisper about, that feeling when your favorite meal turn against you, the fire in your chest that wake up at 2 a.m., that bloating that makes you want to unbutton your jeans right in the middle of a meeting. So we call it gut instinct for a reason. Your gut is your second brain, and when your second brain is unhappy, you are also get unhappy. So today we are teaching the temporary fixes and the harsh chemicals. We are talking about a trifecta that is changing lives, safe, gentle, and effective. We are diving into deep into homeopathy solution for the big three like acidity, bloating, and roller coaster ride known as IBS. So we call it irritable bowel syndrome also. So if you have been told it's all in your head or just take this pill forever, this session is for you. Let's get your gut swagger back. So before we go get to the specific remedies, you need to understand why we are choosing homeopathy, why we should take homeopathy medicine, what is the need of the homeopathy. So look, conventional medicine is fantastic for emergencies, but for chronic gut issue, often it's just suppressing the fire. You take an antacid, it neutralizes the acid for 2 hours, and then what? The acid comes back, sometimes with a vengeance. This is called the rebound effect. So homeopathy plays a different game. It does not just like look at the like acidity. It's look at the you as a whole, the whole human being. So these are the things. Just like we can ask the ask the patient question that are you stressed, or do you have like crave for spicy food? What is your desire? What is your aversion? What your food habit? How about your appetite? What about your thirst? Like when do your symptoms get worse? When you are angry. So this is called constitutional treatment. We ask like physical symptoms, mental symptoms, everything we note down. So homeopathy stimulates your body's own vital force to heal itself. It's not a band-aid, it's a system reboot. And the best part, no side effects, no dependency, safe for toddlers, safe for seniors, and safe for you also. So we are fighting the symptoms. We are fixing the root cause behind the all sufferings like acidity, bloating, and also the IBS. So let's tackle the monster first. Medicine number one is acidity and heartburn. You know the feeling sore taste burning behind the breastbone. Here are the top contenders in the homeopathy medicine. First, the most important like constitutional medicine is like Nux vomica. We can call this a modern life remedy. So this is for go getters, the CEO, the hustlers. You drink too much coffee, maybe a little too much alcohol, you eat spicy food, and you are stressed out. If you feel heavy after eating and just want to vomit to feel better, Nux vomica is your best friend. It calms the overstimulated stomach. And the like second best important remedy we can call this Robinia, the sore specialist. So when if everything turns to acid, sore belching, sore vomiting, and a burning that keeps you up at night, think Robinia. This is specific for hyperacidity where the stomach feels like a chemical factory. And the third important medicine we can choose like natrum phos. So it is a neutralizer. You can take natrum phos as a biochemical medicine. Think of this acid, natural antacid. Natrum phos 6, it is a biochemical tissue salt. It breaks down lactic acid if you have that golden yellow coating on your tongue and sore risings. This is a gentle balance you can take after meals. So this is a very good important. And we can go moving into monster number 2. So thing is bloating. So you eat a salad and suddenly you look 6 months pregnant. It's uncomfortable. And frankly, it's embarrassing also. Homeopathy distinguishes where the gas is. So number one medicine we can use like carvovage, the yar hunger remedy. So when we can use this, the symptom will be like, we call this is corpse reviver in homeopathy. Sound dramatic, I know. But if you are bloated in the upper abdomen, feel weak, and constantly want a fan blowing on your face because you need air, Carbovich is a magic bullet. It's not the sluggish digestion where the food just sits there and rots. So the second constitutional remedy is lycopodium, the 4 p.m. Enemy. So pay attention to the clock. If your bloating starts, especially between p.m. and 8 p.m. and it's mostly in the lower abdomen. You are looking at lycopodium. You might be feel hungry, but two bites in you feel up to your throat. That's lycopodium signature. They have like desire for sweet, one food also. They are sometimes avarice also. So China, second, third medicine, it is called we everything. The bloat. If you have whole stomach is distended and not even burping gives you relief. Think China. It's especially good if the bloating comes and after dehydration or loss of fluids. So in this way, you can use Cinchona medicine or China medicine. So finally, the big one, the most important thing is the irritable bowel syndrome, which lots of people are suffering. This is where the gut-brain axis is broken. It's alternate diarrhea and constipation, cramping, and usually a whole lot of anxiety in case of IBS. So first medicine we can use is like argenticum nitricum, the nervous belly. So do you get diarrhea before a big meeting, before a date, before a fight? That is anticipatory anxiety. Your brain worries and your gut runs argenticum nitricum calms those nerves and stabilize the bowel movements. And the second very good important like medicine is like allosocotina. So this is the insecurity. We call it the insecurity. This is for when there is lack of confidence in the spinster, immediate urgency. You eat and you run. There's a lots of rumbling and gargling in abdomen. Aloes helps tighten up the shape and soothe the mucosa of intestine or colon, this type of thing. So third medicine is like cholesynthesis, the pain slayer. So like if you have IBS with severe cutting, cramping pain that makes you want to bend double over or press your stomach hard against a pillow. So cholesynthesis is a go-to pain reliever. This is the third medicine. So listen, your gut is trying to tell you something. Don't silence it. Listen to it. So homeopathy offers a way to heal that is safe, gentle, and effective. But remember, self-prescribing is okay, but for acute things. But for chronic IBS or long-term acidity, see a professional homeopath. We treat the person, not the disease. So start paying attention to your triggers, hydrate and breathe, and consider adding this gentle remedies to your homeopathy medicine collection. So these are the things you have to take. Thank you.